Good morning. Today, let's check in on our three sisters. These squash are looking fantastic. And look down here, even though we are a little past mid-September and we are technically in fall, look at that. I can see little squashettes right there. Soon we're gonna have big squashes. And I was hoping these bad girls here were gonna beat the frost, and I think they're gonna do it. I think we're gonna have little squashies here. Fantastic. And the beans, very impressed also. Look at this. Oh my goodness, they're huge. These are much bigger than half runners I usually have. Let's see how it looks here. Is it delicious, gorgeous aside? Oh, look at that. Deep green, awesome beans. Look at that. We'll eat some of these. Also, I'm going to save some of these because we're going to seed save these because these are, as we said before, these are heirloom seeds, so we can pick these, dry them out, and save them for next year. But that's another day for another video. But let's look at our corn, see how our corn is doing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I know what somebody's out there saying. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Native Americans didn't have nylon string, nor did they have T-post in their gardens. Okay, true enough. Well, a couple of days ago, we sort of had a tornado warning where I live. Very unusual in the mountains, Appalachia, but we had one. We had no tornadoes, but we had high sustaining winds. And regrettably, when you have high sustaining winds, corn doesn't like that. So, if you notice here, let's go down to this one. Perfect example. They were flattened down. And when I put the string to pull them back up, they're still kind of, sort of slanted. So I hope they'll grow back, maybe. We'll see. But we'll find out. But right now, the silk looking really good. It's beginning to dry out. That means that it's past its prime for pollination. So what got in there? Got in there, basically. And we'll have another video very soon because I think it's almost time to start trying to find out who got pollinated, who didn't. And we're going to explain how to tell if they are ripe or not without even opening it up. That's going to be an awesome video. Awesome video. So that's what we're doing right now. So don't get too excited. It looks like a spider web right now of yellow string. But that's what I had to do to pull them back up after we had a horrid storm come through. Do what you can. It works. All right. No frost yet. We're getting near the end of September. We should get one in the next few weeks. And we're going to be very careful with our squash here because we want to see some baby squashettes turn into big squashes. So we're going to be very careful with these. So I want some squash this year. All right. Good luck. It's not too late to plant, I guess. Winter plants. We'll cover that also soon. All right. Get planting. Do it. You can do it. Have a great day. Good luck. God bless you.